Hey guys, Candida here, and check out the ThermoPro TP08. Now, here we are, we're outside smoking, enjoying the holiday, and my favorite thing is the ThermoPro is helping us do just that. So here you can see we've got it plugged in, and then the other side is actually a probe stuck into our meat. The top temperature here is going to be our food temperature, and the bottom temperature here is the ambient temperature. And then we have the display here that's portable, and so we can take it with us when we leave the grill or we go and just hang out with others. And we're able to go through and check the different probes. We can set the timer and all of that. And so what I like about it is we are able to see the smoke temperature of the meat. We're able to guesstimate our time. It's got a timer and it is anti-fall, so we don't have to worry about it falling off and breaking. When we decide we need to go somewhere else other than sitting right here by the smoker, this will go to a range of 500 feet. And so that's very handy. We can have this in our pocket, or we can just sit it down on a table. It's highly accurate, we have found, and so it's just off within, less than 2 degrees. And so that's been a big help. So I hope you found the review helpful.